Hello students, now I am going to start question number 1 of exercise 13.3. Now question number 1 says write the following numbers in the expanded form. Now expanded form you have done before. So here if I say that 531, so how to write this number in expanded form? We will write 5 at first and after 5 2 place, so 2 zeros. So it's 500 plus. Then after 5 we have 3 and after 3 there is 1 digit, so 1 0. And then we have 1. So we'll take 1 and after 1 there is no digit, so it will be 1 only because it is in ones place. So 531 can be written as 500 plus 30 plus 1 in expanded form. Similarly, here we have 279404. We have to write this number in expanded form. Okay, now at first we will write 2 and then after 2 we have 1 2 3 4 5 places, so 5 zeros. Okay, plus then we have 7 and after 7 we have 1 2 3 4 places, so 4 zeros. Then we have 9 and after 9 1 2 3 places, so 3 0. Then we have 4 and after 4 2 places, so 2 0. And then we have 0 and after 0 we have only one digit, so 1 0. And then at last we have 4 and after 4 there is no digit, so we will write 4 because this is at one place, right? Now how we have got this number? 2 multiplied by, see here, 1 2 3 4 5, so 1, then 1 2 3 4 5. Now when you multiply this by 2, then we will get this number. Okay, now here we have 7 and 7 is multiplied by which number to get this number? Here we have 4 zeros, so with 1 we will write 4 zeros. Okay, that means 7 into 10,000 is 70,000. Okay, now how we have got 9,000? So we'll write 9. After this we have 3 zeros, so with 1 we'll write 3 0. So then only we have got 9,000, right? So if you see the pattern, see zeros are getting decreased. Okay, then plus sign. Then we will write 4 and how we have got 400? After 4 we will write, see, 4 is multiplied by 1 and then 2 zeros. 2 places, so 2 zeros. So it's 4 into 100, 400. And then we have 0. See, we can skip this part. But here if you see this is in pattern. We can find a pattern here. Like here we have 5 0, then 4 0, then 3 0, then 2 zeros, then it will be 1 0. So why? See here 0 we have and after 0 1 place, right? So we will write 1 0 with 1. And finally we will write here we have 4. So with 4 we have no 0, so we will write 1 because zeros are getting decreased, right? So in the previous number, see 0 is only 1, then here 2. So that means here it will be nothing because zeros are getting decreased. Now we will write in power form. So 2 multiplied by, here how many zeros are there? This is 1 2 3 4 5. So it will be 10 to the power 5. If you multiply 5 times, if you multiply the base which is 10 here, if you multiply 10 5 times, then you will get 1 lakh. Okay, now here 7 into 4 zeros, so it will be 10 to the power 4. Then 9 into 3 zeros, so 10 cube. Then 4 into, it's 2 zeros, so 10 square. Now after this 0 into 10 was there, so it is only 1 0 here, so we will write the power 1 here. And finally to write this 4 into 1, we'll write 4 into 10 to the power 0. 10 to the power 0 is 1, so in place of 1 we can write 10 to the power 0, right? Now if you see this pattern, see 5 4 3 2 1 0. Okay, so this is the way to write expanded form. Okay, now coming to next part. Now in the next part we have 3006194. So at first we will write 3 and then we will count the number of places, and according to that we will put the number of zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we have 0, so we'll put 0, and after 0 we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 places, we'll write 5, 0. Okay. Again we have 0, and after we have put the 0, and after 0 we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 places. So we'll write 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have 6, and after 6, 3 places, so 3 zeros. Then we have 1, and after 1, 2 places, so we'll write 100. And then we have 9 after 9, 1 place, so it's 90. And after 4 there is no digit, so we'll write 4. Okay. Then we will see that how we have got this number. By multiplying which number we have got this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So with 1 we'll write 6 zeros. Okay. So that means when 3 is multiplied by 10 lakh, then we will get 30 lakh, isn't it? Now after this we have 0, and 0 is multiplied by how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's 1. Then after 1 we'll write 5 zeros, because it is 1 lakh multiplied by 0, it's 0. Okay. After this again we have 0, and then we have 4 zeros. So we'll write 4 zeros, because when you multiply 10,000 by 0 we'll get 0. And then after this we have 6. 6 multiplied by 1,000, because we have 3 zeros, so 3 zeros here. 6 multiplied by 1,000 is 6,000. After this 10. After this we have 1, and after 1 we have 2 zeros, so 1 is multiplied by 100 to get 100. Then 9. After 9 there is 1 0, so it will be 10, because 10 is multiplied by 9 to get 90. And then we have 4 multiplied by 1. Here zeros are getting decreased, so at last we will have only 1. Okay, at last we will have only 1. Now we will write in power form. So see how many zeros are there. We have 6 zeros. So power of 10 will be 6, because when you multiply 6 times 10 you will get 10 lakh. Okay. Now after this after this it will be 0 multiplied by, here 5 zeros are there, so 10 to the power 5. Then we have 4 zeros, so 10 to the power 4. Then we have 3 zeros, so it is 10 to the power 3. Then we have 2 zeros, so 10 to the power 2. Then we have 1 0, so 10 to the power 1. And at last we have 4 multiplied by 1. In place of 1 we will write 10 to the power 0, because anything to the power 0 is 1. And here we can see that here it is in pattern. Okay, this see 6, 10 to the power 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, so if there is zeros in between of the numbers, you don't skip that number, because we have to write in this pattern. Okay? Now next we have 2, 8, 0, 6, 1, 9, 6. Okay, so we'll take 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 zeros. We will write in expanded form. Okay, so here, and these things we have done before. So here only the difference is we will have to write in power form. Okay, now we'll take 8, and after 8 how many places? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 zeros. Then we have 0, and after 0 we have 4 places. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have 6, and after 6 3 places, so 3 0. Then we have 1, after 1 2 places, so 2 0. Then we have 9, after 9 1 place, so 1 0. And after 6 there is no digit, so we will write 6 only. Okay, now how we have got this number? 2 multiplied by, see, we'll write 1 and we'll count the zeros. Is 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So when it is multiplied by 10 lakh, when 2 is multiplied by 10 lakh, then only we will get 20 lakh, right? Now we have 8, and after 8 we have 5 zeros. So with 1 we will write 5 zeros to get 8 lakh. Okay, now after this we have 0, and with zeros, which number to be multiplied to get zeros here? Because here we have taken 5 zeros and here we have 4 zeros. So with 1 we will write 4 zeros. After this we will take 6, and after 6, 3 zeros. So it's 3 zeros with 1. Then we have 1 multiplied by 100. Okay, then 9 multiplied by 1 zero is there, so it's 10. And finally 6 multiplied by 1. Okay, 6 multiplied by 1 is 6. Now we will write in power form, since since zeros are here, 6 zeros are there, so power of 10 will be 6. Then it will be 5. Then it will be 4. We will write this number, and with this we will write this. Okay, now we have 6. We'll write 6, and then power of 10 will be 3, because 3 zeros are there. This way it will get decreased. Okay, 6, 5, 4, 3, then it will be 2. See, 1 into 100 can be written as 10 square, isn't it? Then 9 into, here is 1 0, so 10 to the power 1, and 6 into 1 means 6 into 10 to the power 0, because anything to the power 0 is 1, and here after 1 then it will be 0. So the answer of this will be 2 into 10 to the power 6, or plus 8 into 10 to the power 5, plus 0 into 10 to the power 4, plus 6 into 10 cube, plus 1 into 10 square, plus 9 into 10 to the power 1, plus 6 into 10 to the power 0. Okay, if you want to write in expanded form, you will have to write in this way. Okay, now coming to next part. Now in the fourth part we have 120719. Okay, so again we'll take first digit, which is 1, and after that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places are there, so we'll put 5 zeros. Okay, next we have 2, and after 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 places, so 4 zeros. Then we have 0, so we'll put 0, and then 1, 2, 3, we'll put 3 more zeros. See here if you put 1 0 or 2 0 or 3 0, it's same, but we have put 4 zeros here so that you can understand the place value nicely. Okay, now after this we have 7, and after 7 we have 2 places, so 2 0. Then we have 1, and after 1 only 1 place, so 1 0. And then we have 9, and after 9 no places are there, so only we will write 9. Now we will write in multiplication form. What should be multiplied to get this number? We'll take 1, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have multiplied 1 lakh by 1 to get 1 lakh. Okay, now here after this we have 2, and here we have got 20,000. Now how we have got 20,000? Here 4 zeros are there, so we'll put 4 zeros with 1. So that means 10,000 multiplied by 2 to get 20,000. In this way we have 0 next, and then 3 zeros after this. So with 1 we'll put 3 zeros, and then we have 7, and after 7 we have 2 places, so 2 zeros with 1. Then we have 1, and after 1 0, so with 1 we'll put 1 0, because 10 multiplied by 1 is 10. Then we have 9, so 9 multiplied by 1 is 9. Okay, now we will write in power form. Now we have 1 at first, and here we have 5 zeros, so power of 10 will be 5, because if you multiply 5 times 10 we will get 1 lakh. Okay, now after this 2 multiplied by, here 4 zeros, so 10 to the power 4. Then we have 0 multiplied by 3 zeros, so 10 to the power 3. Then we have 7. 7 multiplied by 200 is there. So 2 zeros. So 10 to the power 2 plus 1 into 10 to the power 1. And finally 9 multiplied by, in place of 1 we will write 10 to the power 0. So here we have got 10 to the power 5, 10 to the power 4, 10 to the power 3, 10 to the power 2, 10 to the power 1 and 10 to the power 0. So this way we will write in expanded form. Okay. And in the last one we have 20068. So at first we'll take 2 and then we will put 4 zeros. Then again we have 0 and after 0 3 places, so 3 zeros. Again we have 0 and after 0 2 places, so 2 zeros. Then we have 6 and after 6 1 place, so 1 0, and then we will put 8 and after 8 we don't have anything, so we'll write 8. Now we will write in multiplication form that how we have got all this number. So 2 multiplied by, here 4 zeros are there, so we'll put 4 zeros with 1, that means 2 is multiplied by 10,000 to get 20,000. Then 0 multiplied by 1,000, because 3 zeros are there, so with 1 we'll put 3 zeros. Then we have 0, this 0 we will put, and with this 0 we have 2 zeros, that means 100 to be multiplied with 0 to get 0. Okay. Then 6 multiplied by 10. See, zeros are getting decreased. After 100 it will be 10, because here is 1 place only, so 1 0. Then 8 multiplied by 1. Now we will write in power form. So 2 multiplied by, here 10 to the power 4, because 4 zeros are there. Then 0 multiplied by 10 to the power 3, because 3 zeros. Then 2 zeros, so 0 multiplied by 10 to the power 2 plus 6 multiplied by 10 to the power 1. Okay, here only 10 was there, so we'll write 10 to the power 1, and 8 into, in place of 1 we will write 10 to the power 0, because anything to the power 0 is 1. So in place of 1 we can write this way, so to make this pattern. Okay, 10 to the power 4, 10 to the power 3, 10 to the power 2, 10 to the power 1 and 10 to the power 0. Okay, so this was the last part of question number 1. Thank you, students.